Namaste children. Welcome to Mahatma Gandhi Vidyalaya. I am Revati, your mathematics teacher. Children, here is your today's math puzzle. There are 3 triangles. In each triangle, there are 3 numbers outside the triangle and there is a number inside the triangle. Look at the first triangle. Down we have 2 numbers 10 and 3 and the top we have one number 5. Similarly in the next one down we have 2 numbers 6 and 4, on the top we have 8. Similarly in the third one also we have 3 and 2 in the down and 12 on the top of the triangle. Now there is a number inside the first triangle, that is 35. In the second triangle we have 16. Now we have to find the number inside the third triangle. What number will come in the third triangle? For that we have to identify the pattern of the other 2 triangles. See children, I will tell you the pattern here. In the first triangle, multiply 10 and 5. You know what is 10 5s are? It is 50. And now multiply 3 and 5. 3 5s are 15. Now you subtract 15 from 50. That is 50 minus 15. That is 35. So this is your answer inside the triangle. Similarly, multiply 6 and 8. 6 8s are 48. Multiply 4 and 8. 4 8s are 32. Now subtract 48 minus 32. Now you will get 16. This is the number inside the triangle. Do you understand the pattern now? Similarly, if you proceed, 3 12s are 36. 2 12s are 24. If you subtract 36 minus 24, you will get 12. So, the number inside the third triangle will be 12. With this puzzle, we can start our today's session, children. Shall we start it? Yes. Children, in this session, we are going to start our second chapter, addition and subtraction. In this chapter, we are going to learn about addition and subtraction of 5 and 6-digit numbers and properties of addition and subtraction and estimating the sum and the difference. First we are going to learn about addition. Then after completing addition, we'll go to the subtraction. Children, in today's session, we are going to recall about basic concepts of addition and how to add 4-digit numbers with regrouping and without regrouping. Similarly, we are going to learn addition of 5-digit and 6-digit numbers with regrouping and without regrouping, and then we are going to solve some word problems based on addition. What are the basic concepts of addition? Children, you have learned from your lower classes. As usual, addition means putting together, adding all together, and we can say joining all together also. Now tell me, what is the sign we are using for adding the numbers? We are using plus. Plus is the sign used for adding the numbers. The numbers which are added in the addition sum is called addends. Okay, it may be 2 or more addends also. More than 2 addends also will be given in the sum. The result of the sum, addition sum, is called sum. Okay, here is an example for you. 450 plus 230 is equal to 680. Here 450 and 230 are addends. 680 is the sum. In this example, we have added the numbers horizontally. It is not applicable for larger number and all. It is very difficult. So, let us do the calculation by column method now. Okay. Children, you know very well about the column method. You have practiced in your lower classes. Here we are just going to recall the steps. Okay, first we will write the places according to the number of digits, and then we will write the digits in their respective places, and we'll put the plus symbol in any of the side, maybe on right side or left side. Next we have to start from ones place column. Then we have to move one by one and until we complete all the places. Children, here we have two examples of 4-digit number addition without regrouping. Okay, first one, add 3672 plus 5315. Here both the numbers are 4-digit numbers, so let us mention the places ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. And now let us represent the numbers in their respective places, the digits in the respective places. After that, put the plus symbol. Then we'll start adding from ones column. Always we should start from ones column. Here we have 2 and 5. So start along with me. 2 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. All of you, 2 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. Say along with me. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is the answer. Write it in the answer part of the ones place. Now we'll move to the tens place. We have 7 and 1. So tell me again. 7 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 7, 8. So write 8 in the tens place. Next move to the hundreds place. 6 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9. So write 9 in the hundreds place. Next in thousands place. 3 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So your answer is 8987. Children, don't forget to take and write the answers separately. Okay, it is very important. Here is another example for you. Add 5064 and 2834. Add and check the answer, children. You do by yourself. Okay. Children, now we are going to learn about addition of 5-digit numbers without regrouping. Here let us consider an example. 25,340 and 71,609. We are going to add these two numbers. Here both the numbers are 5-digit numbers. So mention the places till 10,000 place. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. We have to represent the number in their proper places, respective places. Next we have to put the plus symbol. Let's start adding from ones place. Here in ones place we have 0 and 9. When we add any number with 0, we get the same number as the answer. You know this, children? Yes. So 0 plus 9 is 9. Similarly, in tens column we have 4 and 0. So 4 plus 0 is 4. Now let's move to the hundreds place. Here we have 3 and 6. Let us keep 3 in the mind, 6 in the fingers. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is your answer. Write it under the hundreds place of the answer part. Next in thousands place we have 5 and 1. When you add 1 with any number, we get the next number of the given number. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Next move to the 10,000s place. We have 2 and 7. So 2 in the mind, 7 in the fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So write the digit 9 in the 10,000s place. So take and write your answer is 96,949. Next, addition of 6-digit numbers without regrouping. For that, let us consider two numbers, 4,23,162 and 2,16,403. Here we have 6-digit numbers, so we have to mention the places till lakhs place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and lakhs. After that we have to represent the given number in their respective places. Then put the plus symbol and start adding from ones column. Now in ones column we have 2 and 3. 2 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 write it in the ones column. Next in tens column we have 6 plus 0, that is 6 again. Now in hundreds column we have 4 and 1. If you add 1 with the 4 we get 5. In thousands place we have 3 and 6. If we add after 3, if you count till 6 fingers, then you will get the answer 9. Next in 10,000s place we have 2 and 1. If you add 3. Lakhs place we have 4 and 2. If you add, you get 6. Write 6 in the lakhs place. Now your answer is 6,39,565. Don't forget to take and write the answer separately. While writing, separate the numbers by using the commas. Next, we are going to recall about what is regrouping. Already we know that 1 10 is equal to 10 ones. 10 ones together we can consider as 110. Similarly, 10 tens together we can consider as 100. 10 hundreds together we can consider as 1000. Okay. See, while adding we are regrouping the numbers. When we are getting 10 or more than 10, that time we have to regroup the numbers into tens and ones. Only we have to write ones place number in a particular place, and the tens place number we should carry over to the next place. Okay. Now we are going to see some more examples of adding numbers with regrouping. Here is your first example. Here there are two 4-digit numbers. We are going to add them. The numbers are 5,694 and 2,357. Mention the 4 different places, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands, and then we have to represent the digits in their proper places. After that, put the plus symbol. Now let's start add from ones place. Now 4 in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 4, all of you count along with me. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 is a 2-digit number. It is more than 10. So we cannot write 11 here, and write the ones place number 1 here and carry over the 110 to the next place. That is, we are taking 110 to the tens place. Now add this 110 along with the remaining numbers 9 and 5. After 1, 9, if you add means you will get 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Again we are getting 2-digit number 15 here. Write the ones place number 5 in this place and take the 110 to the next place, that is to the hundreds place. Now we have to add 1 and 6. If we add, we get 7. 7 plus 3, it is 10. Again 2-digit number. So write the ones place. Ones place is here 0. So write the 0 here and take the 1, carry over to the next place, that is to the thousands place. Now if you add 1 plus 5, it is 6. 6 plus 2 is again 8. Now your answer is 8051. Next we are going to learn how to add 5-digit numbers with regrouping. The procedures are same, children, only the number of digits are different. Okay, let us consider an example. 56,239 plus 43,582. Represent the numbers in their respective places. After that we will start add from ones place. 9 plus 2. 9 in the mind, 2 in the finger. If you add 9 and 2 you will get 11. But we cannot write 11 here and write 1 in the ones place and carry over 110 to the tens place, nearest place. Now add 1 and 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Add 8 along with 4. Now you will get 12. Again it is a 2-digit number. Write 2 in the 2 ones here and take 110 to the hundreds place as a carryover. Now add this. 1 and 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. Again move to the thousands place. We have 6 and 3. Here no carryover number. So 6 plus 3 is 9. In 10,000 place 5 and 4 9. Now let us take and write our answer, that is 99,821. Here the method is same for all the number of digits. Okay, separate the number by using commas. Next we are going to learn how to add 6-digit numbers with regrouping. Now you are very clear in the concept, children, I think so. Here is your example. Add 7,26,543 and 1,26,579. Mention the digits in their respective places. Till lakhs we have to write the digits since we have 6-digit number. After mentioning the digits, you just start adding from ones place. Here 3 plus 9 is 12. We cannot write 12, so write 2 in the ones place and 1 carry over to the tens place. Now add 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. Write 2 in the tens place and now take 1 to the hundreds place as a carryover. Now 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. Again write 1 here and take 1 carryover to the next place. Now 1 plus 3 is, in thousands place we have 1 plus 3, it is 4. 4 plus 6, it is 10. Again 2-digit number. Write 0 and carry over 1 to the 10,000s place. Now in 10,000s place, if we add 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. Next lakhs place, 7 plus 1 is 8. So your answer is 8,50,122. So children, don't forget to take and write the answer. Here children, we are going to add 3 addends together. Okay, we can add more than 3 addends also, but the procedure is same for all. Okay, now your question is, find the sum of 58,236, 1,23,546 and 59,684. Here we have 2 5-digit numbers, 1 6-digit number. So the greatest number of digit is 6 digits. So mention the places till lakhs. Okay, and now you just mention the number in the respective places and start adding from ones place. Now I will tell you how to add from ones place. Okay, 6 plus 6 is 12. Now keep 12 in the mind and add 4 along with that. 12 plus 4 is 16. So write 6 here and carry over 1 to the tens place. Now add it now in tens column. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 8 is again 16. So write 6 here and carry over 1 to the hundreds column. If you proceed similarly one by one each place, you can calculate the sum. Then finally you will get the answer 2,41,466. Children, you try it in your notebook. Whether you are getting the same answer or not, check it and tell. Okay, check your answer after you finished it. Here in this figure I have given few words. It represents addition. Not only add, sum, there are so many words to represent addition. Here we are going to list out that. Okay, total, join, both, increase, combined, plus, in all, add, sum, all together. Here these are the some keywords which will help you to solve the word problems based on addition. Application of addition in real life. By solving the word problem, we can identify what are the applications of additions in our real life. Here is your example, children. In a book fair, there are 3,42,568 books in English language and 1,52,343 books in Hindi language. Find the total number of books in the fair. How many English language books are there? 3,42,568. How many Hindi language books are there? 1,52,343. We have to find the total number of books. Now only we identified the keyword. What is the keyword here? Total. Total means we have to add. So while writing the word problem, you should write the statements. Okay. You have to write the statement without spelling mistake. Write the statement and then underline the numbers from the question and then represent the number according to the respective places. After that, you just do the addition from ones place, starting from ones place. After adding all, we'll get the final answer. Okay, do this calculation in your notebook, children. Whether you are getting the same answer or not, check it. Don't forget to write the statement and mention the place and put the plus symbol and write the equal to sign for every statement. Don't forget it. And here at last you will get the answer 4,94,911. Therefore there are 4,94,911 books in the book fair. Okay, children, you try and complete in your notebook. Okay, do by yourself. The calculation part you must do by yourself. Okay, you should practice the method. Okay, that's why I am telling you to practice and do by yourself. Can you do it, children? Children, this is the time for recapitulation. In today's session, we have learnt about how to add 5 and 6 digit numbers with regrouping and without regrouping. While adding, you must start from ones place only. When we are getting the answer as a 2 digit, it is more than 10 means we must regroup them into tens and ones. Don't forget it. The answer of the addition is the sum. Children, here I have attached your assignment problems. Please do it in your homework note. Thank you, children. We'll meet in the next session.